Hi everyone, welcome to my channel called Aqua Blue Boutique. My name is Zoa and I'm the owner of Aqua Blue Boutique on Etsy. So today it's Monday, February 22nd, and I woke up so early today because I couldn't sleep. And right now it's 5 a.m. in California, so I'm just coming on really early today to work on samples that I prepare. I prepared yesterday. And so I woke up early this morning just to focus on that. I have been neglecting, well, not neglect, but I've been putting off like making new sample for my Etsy. So today I'm going to be focusing on just embroidering like new designs, and then tomorrow or later on this week, if time allows, I will create some new tutu for my Etsy shop, because you guys know I love making tutu, but I've been putting it off. So this month was supposed to be my challenge, but I skipped it the last 2 weeks. I only made one tutu. So this week I have to catch up on, well, more like 3, because this is the last week of my challenge. But then I'm going to extend it till next month. So I will talk to Kay about it, because Kay, the Hustle Queen, she's also co-hosting with me, if she will extend her deadline too, because she's also giving away a $25 gift certificate too. So if you guys don't know who she is, her name is Kay, the Hustle Queen on YouTube. So go and check out her YouTube channel and subscribe. She also do tutu too. So anyways, I prepare all my sample. I pre-cut them 12 by 12 because I'm going to put these in like my scrapbook 12 by 12 sleeves. Before I show you guys that I organize it into a binder, but it's getting really big now since I'm planning to do like 100 designs. So right now I have 55 listing on Etsy, but then I don't think I probably have probably 40 something design already. And so the binder wasn't working anymore, so I'm just gonna like put them in a box or something and put the 3-ring binder. The 3-ring binder it's not a binder, it's just a 3-ring that you get from Walmart or Amazon. I'll show you guys another time of how I store the new way how I store it. So I already prepped like all my fabric, and before I never print out my design, but I was thinking, since sometime I might forget, since I'm gonna be having more than 100 designs, I'm planning to, for my Etsy store, I'm going to print them out and write down like the color thread that I use and the fabric. Well, I'm not gonna write down the fabric, like since I'm gonna put it on the sample, I can see it, because I noticed that like a lot of customers, when they buy the design, they expect the same exact fabric, unless you put down that fabric variation, or you try to do, because I don't know how that works. Like I always wonder how like later on, if I run out of these fabric, and I think I have to I learned that I think you have to either take down the current design with the fabric, like the picture, you take it off and make a new one, so you don't have to explain it in the listing, unless you explain in the listing that fabric variation can occur, and that you may substitute like a similar fabric for the design, so that customers are aware that they will not get exact like the picture. So, but that to me, I feel like there might be a lot of complaint later on. So some customers don't read. So I was just thinking, I'm probably not gonna put that in the description. I will pay attention to like when the fabric it's low, and I don't. So then I can like make a new design with like different fabrics. So then I don't have to list that in the description, and so the customer will get exactly like the picture. Because I don't want customer to be like, okay, so how come the fabric doesn't look like the picture, or it's off, you know? Because I know some customers don't read, so that's just my thoughts. And so I also cut out a bunch of fabric for all the design that I'm going to be doing today too. I decided to put them in baggies, as it's easier to just sort them out like that. So I pre-cut like probably like a couple fabric just to get enough, like just for like the next 2 or 3 design. If the customer buy the design, then I don't have to go back and prep so much. Like if it's getting low, then and I know that that particular design with the particular fabric that I choose sell well, then I will cut more and heat embalm them ahead of time. Because applique takes time, and you have to prepare these ahead of time to save time when you put on the machine. So yeah, so this whole day I'm just gonna be doing some sample, and I will be just doing a time lapse. So you guys will just see me. I'll just let my iPad run all day, and so you guys can see how I work and make my sample. I was gonna come on live, but I decided that I want to focus, because when I'm on the live, I just talking with you guys too much, and I don't get a lot of work done, so I just decided to do just a video for you guys today. But I will plan on to go live sometime this week. Well, tomorrow, definitely tomorrow, because it's my giveaway tomorrow. So I'm going to do the drawing tomorrow. So I will be on live tomorrow, so we can just chat instead of me going on live today and doing sample with you guys, because